Alright, the blizzard hit. It's the blizzard. There's our drift. That's only about 4 feet. Yeah, comes up a ways on the steps here, that's for sure. It was so windy, 65 miles per hour. We got, it starts in that yard, our yard, all the way along here. I can't see it pretty close to the next yard. Let's see if I can get it out the window. Today, it's Christmas Eve, December 24th. Right now I'm out here with a t-shirt and I'm freezing my butt off. The temperature is 3. The wind chill's about 20 something. I'll go back in now. But yeah, we end up at 10 inches of snow. Blizzard, the biggest blizzard we ever had. It covered 3/4 of the state. And then about 2 other states plus Canada, up in Canada too. So yeah, biggest one-day snowfall for that day. And there were some drifts that were 6, 7, 8 feet high on the highways. People were stranded everywhere because they were stupid. Went out driving around. Alright, I figured this would be covered, but then there was so much wind, it couldn't really build up in any one spot. Look, I don't even have anything on the roof. Been 10 inches. The first time we ever got 10 inches, and there's nothing on the ground here. But, you know, there's bare spots because of the wind. But we got the drifts. Okay. I'll see if I can get the neighbor's place. That drift. Hi, Jax. Now there's the other part of it. And go all the way down, another 2 houses.